Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Formula 2000 Diecast. And today we have one Mini GT Pagani, a US exclusive, the Pagani Wire Roadster. Put it on this side, and we have a Tarmac Works, the Koenigsegg Regera. Pretty awesome castings, I think. Bull seat, but good packaging on both of them. Let me crack them open and then we'll look at them. Let's take a look at the box first. So we need to get this. Also, scale miniatures. Oh, it's part of that company. I don't know. I just know that they're new. They started in 2017 in Japan, and they've been killing it ever since. Because these castings are amazing. Then let's look at the Tarmac Works. This is one cool thing about the Tarmac packaging. You can see the full car when you open the box like that. Pretty cool. Nice touch. Official license. More legal stuff. Oh no, let's just look at the model. So let's start with the Pagani. I usually don't buy roasters or convertibles, but when it comes to the Paganis, you can pass that up, especially the Sonda. It has great detail. The dashboard and the steering wheel. Pretty cool. One of my lights just shut down, so we're gonna have to bring this one closer. And then we have the Koenigsegg with those sick wheels. Those are just out of this world. Then the windshield wiper in the middle. Fatter tires in the back. Metal base. And the metal top. You also have to be careful with these details because they can break easily. Same thing with the side mirrors, and of course ghost in the back. They're just amazing models, both of them. This one's the mirrors are rubbers, so you're fine to touch them. And this one also has a metal base. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know which one's your favorite. I like orange. I'm a big fan of orange, and the Koenigsegg on this round I think will be my favorite. If the Pagani was blue and not a convertible, I think I would have gone with that one, but blue is my favorite color, and then the second one it's orange, so I'll go with that. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and all that fun stuff that really helps the channel. And until the next one, Bye.